Alright, the next step. You still need to install XAMPP on your Macs in order to be able to test and run your files. So, I'm going to start Firefox here. Google. Try that again. Go to download. And we want XAMPP for OS 10. We want this version here, not any of these. These are complete virtual machines. So we're going to download the 64-bit at 7.3. Save the file. Don't know how long this is going to take, so I may wind up speeding this up a bit. Okay, it looks like the download may have stalled, so let's try this again. That's better. Okay, don't know what happened there. It just seemed to stall. So let's install it. There we go. Double click on the icon. We're going to open it. It will want our password, of course. Click next. We'll leave this as is. Go next. 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 It opened up Safari for some reason. Next. And I may speed this up a bit. Okay, we've installed. Let's click Finish. I'm going to close that and eject it. And let's go run it and see if installed properly. Here's the folder. And there's the manager, which we want to click. There we go. It'll want our passwords. Let's go manage servers. Apache is running. You don't necessarily need MySQL right now, but we'll start it anyway. And we're good. We don't need Pro FTPD. We'll close this. And we'll close that. In the next video, we'll come back. I will show you where to locate your files.